Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy gift card on Shein app. This is a very simple process. First of all, you have to open your Shein app. Make sure you're logged in your account. Now what you have to do is tap on me icon that is in the bottom right corner. Here you can see several options. You have to tap on the gift card option which is right next to the wallet option. Now you can see best sellers over here. Scroll down to see more options. You have to tap on the gift card that you want to purchase. Now here you can select the design. Also you can select amount. Now you'll have to fill out three things over here: to, from and message. Enter the recipient email address. Now enter your email address. You can also add a message that you want to deliver, but make sure it does not exceed 250 characters. Now tap on by placing this order, I agree, I have read and understood the terms and conditions. Now checkout button will be activated. You have to tap on the checkout option. Now you can see here confirm your email address will pop up. You have to tap on confirm. Now you have to select the payment method. You can either select PayPal or you can select credit or debit card. Here I'm selecting credit or debit card. Scroll down. Now you have to tap on place order which is at the bottom. Now here you'll be led to this page. Here you have to enter your card number. Also enter the expire date. Tap on apply. Also you have to enter your CVV. Now you have to tap on place order. After you tap on place order, it will take about 1 to 7 business days for verification. So that's how you buy gift card on Shein app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.